Solar energy is not just the future, it is the present, and Rahvolt stands at the helm of this revolution. In today's world, the importance and rise of solar energy is undeniable. As fossil fuels dwindle and the effects of climate change become more evident, the call for renewable, clean energy grows louder. Enter Rahvolt, a frontrunner in the solar equipment manufacturing industry. With its roots firmly planted in China, Rahvolt has embraced the power of the sun, harnessing it to light up homes, power industries, and change lives. Rahvolt's commitment to renewable energy has never wavered, and its innovative approach to solar technology is nothing short of remarkable. From solar panels to inverters, from batteries to chargers, Rahvolt's products are designed with sustainability at their core. They're not just creating products, they're shaping the future of energy. Rahvolt, born in China, has since its inception been a beacon of solar innovation and sustainability. From the heart of the East, Rahvolt embarked on a journey to the land down under Australia. This was a strategic move aimed at harnessing the abundant sunshine that graces this island continent. But the journey wasn't as smooth as a boomerang's flight. Rahvolt faced a myriad of challenges. For starters, Australia's solar market was already saturated with local and international companies. Rahvolt had to carve out a niche for itself, which it did by focusing on quality and innovation. Its solar panels were not only efficient but also designed to withstand Australia's harsh climate, and this resonated with the Aussies. Then there were regulatory hurdles, but Rahvolt proactively engaged with the Australian authorities, ensuring compliance with all relevant standards and regulations. The company was committed to doing business the right way, and this earned them respect and credibility. Rahvolt's entry into Australia had a transformative effect on the country's solar industry. The company introduced advanced technologies, raised the bar for quality, and helped bring down the cost of solar energy. This made solar power an attractive option for more Australians, contributing significantly to the renewable energy sector. Rahvolt's journey in Australia wasn't just about business expansion, it was about making a difference, about contributing to a greener future. And in this regard, Rahvolt certainly shone bright. Rahvolt's entry into Australia not only expanded its global footprint but also revolutionized the country's solar landscape. After making waves in Australia, Rahvolt set its sights on the United Kingdom, a decision that would propel the company to new heights. The move to the UK was both strategic and ambitious. The United Kingdom, with its climate commitments and progressive energy policies, presented an opportunity for Rahvolt to contribute to a greener future. Adapting to the new market was a challenge that Rahvolt met head-on, leveraging their experience from China and Australia to navigate the UK's unique solar landscape. In the UK, Rahvolt found a nation ready to embrace solar energy. The company's high-quality solar equipment was well received, with many acknowledging Rahvolt's role in propelling the UK's solar industry forward. From private households to large-scale solar farms, Rahvolt's products began to dot the UK's skyline, a testament to the company's growing influence. But Rahvolt's impact was not just visual. The company also brought with it a commitment to advancing the UK's renewable energy goals. Through partnerships with local businesses and government bodies, Rahvolt worked tirelessly to increase solar adoption across the country. The company's arrival was a catalyst, sparking wider discussions about renewable energy and sustainability. Rahvolt's success in the UK is a story of adaptation, innovation, and commitment. It's a narrative that echoes the company's broader mission to harness the power of the sun for a sustainable future. Rahvolt's arrival in the UK marked a significant milestone in the company's journey, reinforcing its position as a global solar powerhouse. From China to Australia and the UK, Rahvolt's journey is a testament to the company's resilience, innovation, and commitment to a sustainable future. Born in the bustling factories of China, Rahvolt quickly established itself as a key player in the solar equipment manufacturing sector. Its unyielding drive for excellence propelled it to the sun-kissed shores of Australia, where it continued to raise the bar, setting new standards in the industry. The company's influence wasn't confined to the East, as it made a groundbreaking entry into the UK, further cementing its global presence. Rahvolt's growth is not just about numbers, It's about impact. It has been instrumental in promoting renewable energy, helping to reduce reliance on fossil fuels. Its innovative solar solutions have not only transformed the lives of millions, but also contributed significantly to the global fight against climate change. Rahvolt continues to shine brightly, illuminating the path to a sustainable solar-powered future.